And this right here, if you haven't figured it out yet, is my toilet paper. So soft that you just want to do this all the time. Well, not all the time, but... Now, when I say 100%, I truly mean it. No grocery stores or restaurants, no drinks at a bar, nothing packaged or processed, nothing shipped long distances, no farmers markets, not even going over to my friend's pantry, because I wanted to truly immerse in my food. I even harvested my own sea salt from the ocean by collecting the water, boiling it down in a pot until I was left with just the sea salt for my meals. The idea of this is really, do I need a lot of clothes? Do I really need to impress people through the clothes in my body? No.
Je suis désolé, mais je ne veux pas être empereur.